How to erase all context and settings on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On this page, tap on Erase all content and settings below. Erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data so your phone can be safely traded in or given away. And then, tap on Continue to proceed. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily erase all content and settings on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.